Are you spending too much time on your SMSF's management? It's not easy to get all the details right, especially if your fund has changed its operations over time, whether it's purchased more complex investments, etc. So make sure you talk to a specialist in SMSF around the compliance administration and the reporting. Hi there, my name is Mina, the Client Director at Solution Accountants, and in today's video we're going to talk about some of the tax tips relating to self-managed super funds. So having a self-managed super fund or an SMSF gives you control and flexibility over how you make investments and prepare for retirement. It's important to get your deductions and your record keeping correct for the SMSF audit process and the tax return, as there are strict laws that are governing the SMSFs and how they operate. An SMSF must be set up as a trust and also must have a legal document called a trust deed, and a super fund is set up for the sole purpose of providing retirement benefits to its beneficiaries. The trust deed governs how the fund is set up and how it will operate, and must be used in conjunction with the superannuation laws. So there are many different types of investment strategies for SMSFs according to their SMSF deed and their operations. The first is the common tax deductions or deductible expenses for SMSFs. We know that these can vary depending on the nature of the investments and the deed. However, there are some general expenses that apply to most funds. So like operating expenses, so the management and administration fees and the audit fees are deductible, or other investment related expenses such as the interest, investment advice, cost of servicing and managing the investments, property fees or brokerage fees, these are also generally deductible. The rules for tax deductibility for SMSFs are different to those for individuals and businesses. So most people are used to claiming certain deductions in a business or in a property in their individual names, but they find that they don't necessarily apply to an SMSF tax return. So we can help you clarify what is and what is not deductible. And normally when we do our SMSF returns, we have an annual general meeting with our clients as well and run the clients through the process. Once the formal audit of an SMSF has been completed, the annual return is then lodged with the ATO, and the annual return is not just only a tax return, but also the report on regulatory information and member contributions, etc. So you need to keep all the relevant information in the annual return, keep your transaction records and etc. for at least 5 years. And we keep all records relating to the trustee meetings, minutes and investment strategies and appointment and changes to trustees, etc. in your permanent records, and we keep them there for at least 10 years. So lastly is that your SMSF management can be easy or it can be hard. It just depends on the level of support that you are looking for. Our business can provide an end-to-end compliance process for your SMSF, and we do have certain packages that provide a service all-inclusive for the management of your SMSF. So make sure you get in contact with us if that's of interest to you, and we can organise a complimentary meeting to walk through your current SMSF position and how that could be improved and what compliance documents, etc. and process or efficiency we can start to introduce with you. Hope you found this video helpful, and bye for now.